My name is Franca Bally, and I'm a brand and marketing strategist at francabally.com. And today I want to welcome you to the first of many conversations that I'm going to be having with some amazing women that I get to work with. Sometimes we have these quiet leaders, people that are in the background, or people who are doing jobs that require them to show up for their clients, so they don't have a whole lot of time to maybe show up on social media and other very active spaces. And so I wanted to have conversations to shine a light on some of the amazing work these women are doing. These are going to be short conversations, sometimes less than 30 minutes, where I'm going to just really want to hear what they're working on, what they've done in the past, and what got them to where they are. A lot of these women are 20-year careers doing some of the most amazing work. And so I really wanted to have these intimate and authentic conversations with them so they can really talk to you about their work. In today's first episode, I have a conversation with my good friend, Julia B. of Julia B NYC. She is a lingerie designer that's been doing work for over 20 years now. And she's gonna tell you a little bit more about what she's doing now and some of the wonderful things she's gonna be doing in the world. Stay tuned. In just a minute, you'll hear our conversation. Great. Hey, Julia. So great. How are you? You look beautiful.
Great, you do too. I love that we're both in red.
I know. It's completely unplanned, right?
I know. It's our colors.
Yeah. So I'm excited to have this conversation with you today. And if you don't know me, my name is Franca Bally. I'm a brand strategist and marketing strategist that really does work with women across the spectrum, but I really focus in on working with women who are over 40. And today I'm having a wonderful conversation with an old friend. Her name is Julia B. And she's going to tell you a lot about the work that she's doing. And I like having these conversations because, you know, a lot of times we don't get to talk to the women that are doing great work in the world. You know, everybody knows all the famous people. There's some quiet leaders, as my friend Myra likes to say, that are doing work behind the scenes that you may not know are responsible for some of the great things that you see on some of the bigger brands. And Julia is one of those people. And I have had the honor and privilege of being a friend with her for many years now. We met through Marie Forleo's program. So Julia, I want to get started by really allowing you to tell us your story and how you got started doing the work that you're doing. Tell us what you're doing today and how it all began.
Thank you, Franca. Yes, it's been a wonderful journey with you as a friend, and I'm excited to be here speaking with you. And I am a very passionate lingerie designer. I have been designing lingerie for 20 years, and I've been behind the scenes of Le Mystère, Spanx, a lot of innovation in the industry, the first period underwear, all these different groundbreaking things, as well as really creating high quality fashion, not fast fashion for underwear. And I have always loved fashion, but for more of a, how does it transform how you feel from the inside out? That's what I'm really passionate about. And in helping women feel better about themselves and show up as their best selves. So for the past 20 years, I've been behind the scenes, designing and creating best-selling bras, panties, and all this different underwear. And I have been asked many occasions, like, do you do foundations or do you kind of do more sexy things? And I really look at it as one thing. It's foundations, but I look at undergarments as it's called intimate apparel for a reason. It's the closest thing to our skin.
Right.
And I look at it as lingerie. And we all deserve wearing great lingerie every day. So I have recently started working with women one-on-one again and helping them curate their own lingerie wardrobe and really helping women think about, we deserve to have fun with our lingerie, look great in it, and wear it every day because we're out there doing big, great things. My customer is, I focus on 40 plus women as well. And, women who are high powered, leveling up, doing their best work. And so I'm there helping you, empower you from the inside out. And that starts with knowing what bra and panty to put on that day. And, to being in speaking engagements and just being a great mom and all the wonderful things we do. Our underwear works hard like we do. And so I want to help you bridge that gap, if you will.
I love that, Julia. I mean, leveling up and having something beautiful underneath. What I've learned so much from you about, how to pick a great bra and how it helps you with your confidence and how it helps you to show up better for everything that you do. I mean, believe it or not, when I've been working with you, I've learned a lot about, how some of the bras are made. And you mentioned the term fast fashion. So I wondered if you could take a minute to explain the difference between what you do and fast fashion.
Yes, thank you, Franca. Fast fashion is really taking fashion to market very quickly and cutting out all the fitting, the fit development, and really not going through the artisanal craftsman way of developing product. And that really, it's very trend driven. It's about getting something to market very quickly. It's not good for the environment because it's creating a lot of waste. It's also, it doesn't look good on our bodies mostly, but you have to just, have to be thin, and it really looks great on a 20-something-year-old. And there is a time and place for it, but let's face it, we're aging and we deserve high quality. So I really am about developing things the proper way. For example, women don't realize, and this is one of the things I'm educating on right now, is a bra is a bridge. It needs to be grounded around your body, for example. And it also for a bra to be properly developed and taken to market, it's an 18 to 24 month minimum lead time. And women say to me, oh, bras are so expensive. I'm like, if you knew what it took to create this highly engineered garment, you would say it's actually not expensive enough.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
And so, and anything with like innovation is 3 years plus. So there's really undergarments are engineered. They're engineered garments. And so fast fashion is really creating this fits everybody, which really, it fits everybody. It fits no one. Mm-hmm. And right. And so so I really approach the curation from how do you fit your beautiful body? What are the right brands? What are the right sizes? I celebrate a woman's body. It's like, we are 3-dimensional, and I create product that is designed to look beautiful around your whole body, not just looking from the front or the back or the side. It's really about celebrating your body. And I personally love to create product that has color and choosing the color of lingerie that I want to wear that day.
I love that. And I see some of your designs in the background, and we'll probably take a few minutes where you can kind of show us some cool stuff that you have in your workshop. But I love that you talked about the fact that women's bodies are so different and we're 3-dimensional, because, a lot of the times it looks like everything is mass produced and they've made it for a certain type of body. And then I can't tell you how many bras I've thrown away because they don't fit, even though the cup size and all the dimensions say this should fit me. And then I put it on and it cuts me in a place, or it just doesn't fit at all. It's uncomfortable. And so you find yourself just wasting a lot of money trying to find a product that does fit your body. So that can be very frustrating. But I know that, fast fashion makes it quick, but there's a lot of women that are looking for affordable product, but they don't necessarily know which brands are the good brands, or the ones that are producing high quality at a reasonable cost, because obviously there's going to be some women that are not going to be able to afford hundreds of dollars to spend on a bra.
Could you speak to something that talks about, whether or not women can find an affordable product that's well made in the market? Are you going to be talking about some of that in the curated workshop that you're going to be hosting?
Yes, great point. So brands, for one, are targeted to an ideal customer, right? So many brands are targeted to the 20-something.
Right.
We don't have 20-something bodies anymore, right? I go to the gym all the time. I'd love to have a 20-something, but I don't.
Yeah.
And there is a lot, so the beauty of one of the things I offer is that I have been behind the scenes for the last 20 years, and I know what brands are doing, what and how they are approaching it.
Yeah.
So there are some amazing, affordable brands that I recommend because they are doing it the old school way.
Right.
They know how to really develop product properly. And for example, one of my favorite bras that I personally wear and recommend is $48.
Wow.
And it's for a large range of sizes, and it's a great everyday bra. And I've been wearing it for years, and I still and I'm recommending it to clients, and they're switching from, sometimes something more expensive to that. And it really depends on what you need. I take, your budget into consideration. And also, it's about educating you on your body type, your breast type, and, your body as a 360-degree, three-dimensional piece. And then also, and so what are the brands that are developing for your body? And how are they developing it? Are they the brands that really know how to develop a product in the more traditional, old-fashioned? Could be innovation, but it's innovation in a really developed. One of my favorite wire-free bras, they did 80 fittings on, and I love it. It's amazing.
Wow. That's pretty awesome. So this is a perfect segue to talk about your workshop. And so I want you to tell us about what you're going to be doing and, everything that we need to know about it. And of course, after the video, we're going to drop the link so people can go register and sign up for it. So tell us about it, Julia.
Thank you. So I have a beautiful workshop that I've moved into a new one during the pandemic, and it's very bright and cheery and inspirational, and has all these different all these specialty machines, because lingerie takes really specialty machinery. And so, and it's filled with beautiful laces and fabrics and high quality plush elastics and dress forms, several dress forms with different sizing, so that I can, look at product on the body and see how it is. And then I have my beautiful inspiration boards, and it's just a really, and of course, red velvet chairs, because
because red is your color.
Exactly, because, we are all queens and deserve to treat ourselves that way and be treated that way.
That's awesome.
So, yeah. So it's a very warm, welcoming environment, and it's inspirational to me.
It keeps you creative, right? And keeps
exactly.
You, yeah, yes. I have a red wall still too.
I love it. Yes.
I completely understand. So tell us about your online workshop that you're going to be hosting. Give us the deets about that, so we know how to come and learn more about, how to take care of our bodies and ourselves.
Yes, thank you. So on July 13th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, for an hour and a half, I will be hosting a virtual event, Julia B. Bra and Lingerie Party. And I'm calling it a party because we deserve to have fun. And it's very important to me to create a safe environment for people. It's important to me. It's important for women to feel safe in their bodies and feel good about their bodies. So I'm creating an educational platform that's also relaxed and fun and chill. And I'm going to be teaching some inside secrets to the industry of what I know and how to measure yourself. I used to teach how to measure on HSN, and it really it's very transformational for women, just learning how to do all that. So I'll have a workbook that you'll get, and I'll be teaching how to measure properly, because there's all these different measuring ways. And then also how there is more than one system in the industry of how to find your size, which is, so I'm going to go into details like that. And then I'll also be showing different breast shapes in sketches, and also, to identify your own breast shape, and then also body shape, and to really start helping women transforming the way they feel about their body, and finding product. And if you have a certain breast shape, for example, what is some good things to look for in a product?
Right. Wow. That is so awesome. So tell us, what's the cost of the workshop? So
that's
we can start signing up.
Great question. So I originally was going to do it free, and I've decided to charge $25 because I want to start changing women's perception of, we deserve beautiful things, and our undergarment shouldn't be an afterthought. It's actually the foundation to our wardrobe. So I've decided that I want women to show up already in the mindset that I deserve this treat for myself, to have fun, to learn. And I'm keeping it, at a small, a nominal price, so that I want it accessible to women, but I also want women to start thinking about investing in
themselves. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So they're more likely to show up. I love that. Exactly. And so Julia, I'm excited about this workshop. I'm excited about your work. And I got, obviously I have a relationship with you. So, and I worked on the page, and, I get to work behind the scenes.
Beautiful work. I was on a call earlier, and I was like, Frank, you have really helped me. Well, first of all, create such beautiful website for me, and create this landing page. And you have been so instrumental in getting this passion project of mine of taking this to women. I've been doing VIP one-on-one, and did a beta testing of the lingerie party last year. And then you really helped me bring it to women. So I thank you so much. You've been amazing.
My joy. My pleasure.
Talented.
Yeah, because I believe in this work, and I believe in the women that you're serving, and helping them to be able to feel empowered and confident and strong for the work that they need to do in the world. So that alignment of our work has always been there, and I'm a creative like you, so I'm so excited about this project and about the work that you're doing. And so I just want to encourage you guys to go and register. I don't know how many seats, Julia, you're going to make available for the party, but I'm sure they're going to fill up. So go reserve your spot as soon as you can. This is something that she's never offered before. And so, it's something that you definitely want to take advantage of at the price that she's offering. She is brilliant at what she does, and is sharing, knowledge and information that she's never shared before. So I just want to encourage you to sign up if you can. And I look forward to, being at the party myself. I'm going to book my own spot.
Thank you. Yes, I'm encouraging. Wonderful. I'm encouraging women to show up, and whatever they feel cute, make your favorite mocktail or hydrated water, and just come and enjoy the power of lingerie and the power of amazing women together in the community. So
I'll leave it at that. Nothing else to say. Thank you so much, Julia, for your time today. And we look forward to seeing you at the curated lingerie party on the 13th.
Thank you so much.
All right. Bye for now.